Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Llano T1 wireless HDMI adapter. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So this device is for plugging into your TV, monitor, or projector, and then you'll connect up your devices to this to cast the screen to the device wirelessly. So let's get this open. Here we have the device. We have a HDMI cable and a power cable, and we have the manual. Let's take a quick look at it. Now I may not cover everything in here, you want to read through it on your own. So this is what it comes with. Here we have the different parts. So it has a pairing light, has a button, HDMI port, and USB-C power. It says 5 volts at 300 milliamps. Here we have the specs. So resolution on this is 1080p at 30 Hz. Input is 5 volts at 1 amp, so you can use just a regular phone charger to power this. This runs at 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi ranges. Digital audio is 24-bit at 48 kilohertz. So this shows how to connect it up, and I will walk through that. To connect on Android PC, we swipe down from the control center and tap wireless screen mirroring. On Windows 10, we press and hold the Windows button and the letter K. On Apple, we go to Control Center. So that's actually on the tablet, but then on the computer, it's pretty much the same thing. And you go to screen mirroring. It also has a QR code you can scan to project to. You can connect via IP address. Looks like you can cast from YouTube. You can click the button to switch between landscape and portrait mode. Okay, so let me get the accessories pulled out here. So the HDMI cable is around 10 inches. The USB cable is around 40 inches. So let's pull this out. So this has a tactile button on it. Otherwise it's pretty smooth. Now it doesn't have an attachment point, but you could potentially put like a hook and loop fastener on the back of this and the back of a TV or monitor and attach it. So let's get my monitor here. So this is an Asus monitor. I'll plug into the HDMI and I'll plug the adapter in. I'll plug power into the adapter, and then we'll just need to plug this into our USB charger. Also need to plug my monitor in, obviously. Plug that in. Now a lot of TVs and projectors will have USB ports, and you can probably use those. This is just a monitor that does not. So it's not showing it's drawing any power. It is drawing power, it's just probably very little. Okay, this is booted up, and conveniently it has the instructions on connecting to it, so that's very nice. So let's try connecting from a couple different devices. So here I have an iPad. I'm going to pull down from the upper right. I'm going to choose the mirror icon. We're on screen mirroring. I'll say show more. It has the Llano T1, so I'll tap on it. Now it wants us to enter the numbers on the screen, so I'll do that. And now our screen is mirrored. So if I move this around, it's moving it on both screens. I can open up a website. So now we're mirroring the screen. Let's try other apps. Okay, so here's a YouTube video. So it's playing on both, and I can make this full screen. So you can see it's playing on both of them at the same time. Now there's a little bit of glitchiness here and there. This is a high motion scene. It's also passing the audio through. Now I'm right in front of this, but I could obviously move this away because this is completely wireless to somewhere else. Now I can also go into something like Keynote. I can pull up a presentation. Now when I do that, it's going to display the presentation on the screen that it's casting to, and then on my iPad, it's going to have kind of a console here. So we're on the first slide, I can tap it and go to the next slide. So if you're giving a presentation and this is plugged into a projector, you can see what your next slides are, and your audience sees the actual slide you want them to see. Now to disconnect, I'll pull down from the top, I'll tap on mirroring, I'll say stop mirroring. Now here I'm in YouTube Music. I can have a song playing, and I can go up here to the little cast icon, and I can say AirPlay and Bluetooth devices, and I can choose the Llano T1. And I'll play this. and now it's playing music on the TV. So you could plug this into a stereo to cast music to it. Now I couldn't play a sample because I don't own the copyright to that. But that's very nice for casting, and then to turn it off, I'll tap it again, and I'll say go back to the iPad speaker. So that's an iPad. Here I have my MacBook Pro. I can go up here to the control center in the upper right. I can do mirroring, choose the Llano, enter in the number. Now I have to choose if I'm going to extend or mirror the screen. So here I can extend it, pull up a window, see if this is set up. Okay, so it thinks the monitor is to the side, so I'll go into my settings and I will go to displays, and down here it says arrange, and I'm going to drag that above it since that's where I actually have it. And I'll hit done, done, and now I can drag this up and down. So if you have a laptop and you have kind of a home desk you use and you like to move around and don't want to connect cords to it, you can use this to actually extend your screen. And of course there's nothing connected to this right now. So you could use this right at your desk, or you could maybe sit on your couch and have this on your TV. This gives you lots of flexibility. So I'll disconnect from this. So here I have a mini PC. There's nothing connected to it except for the keyboard and mouse. Now I did connect a regular monitor up to this at first because I needed to do that to choose this to pair it, but then I disconnected the regular monitor and it's streaming right to the Llano. So now I can play video on it. This is my YouTube video. You can see it looks very nice. So that's the Llano T1 wireless HDMI adapter. This was super easy to use. You just connect it up with HDMI and give it some power, and then you can cast to it. Now I connected this up with iOS and Mac, but you could also use this with Android and Windows. So this would be great for connecting up to a projector or a TV if you want to cast to it. You could connect this to a TV in a hotel room, so you could have a second monitor in your hotel room. This is very compact. You just have the little disc and you have the two cables, and you could use your own cables too if you had shorter cables. Now if you had this connected up to a phone, you could press this button here and flip the image, so you can do portrait or landscape mode. And the thing I really like about this is I didn't have to connect up to Wi-Fi to get this working. It just automatically worked. The computers detected it and it just worked. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.